I know what us guys can be like. One week we're hot, we're all over you, we're asking to meet, we're asking to video call, and the next week we're ghosts. It's lockdown that you can't meet him in person and work that seductive prowess. So what I've got for you here is something you can do in lockdown to get his attention. What I want you to do is put up a story that has nothing to do with him, his hobbies or interests. It's something that you've been working on. It's a workout, you're looking fine, you put up a story. If it's a language you're learning, you post your progress. Just something that shows you are working on something that has nothing to do with him. The second he sees your story, he's going to be thinking, rah, has my girl lost interest in me? She has time to do this but not to text me. You hit his ego and it causes him to reach out to you. Now if he doesn't watch your stories, darling, I think we have other problems we need to talk about. We need to first get him watching your stories before we can do things like this. Babe, try it a few times, and when he reaches out to you, boom, he's in your frame, and then we can play the game to get him to chase you.